Hey everybody, this is James with WSTrades.com. Want to provide an update here on ticker VLTA or Volta Inc. Looking at some of the recent news stories here, the latest one I'm finding in TD Ameritrade is definitely bad news. It says here that Volta management considered conditions and events which provide substantial doubt about company's ability to continue as a going concern over 12 months. Concluded there is substantial doubt about ability to continue as a going concern in the next 12 months. So definitely not good news there. Sounds like, they may go under. They may go bankrupt here within 12 months. The earnings information was a very slight beat here. I was looking at earnings per share. The estimate here was 29 cents per share loss, but they actually hit 28. So very small beat there. And a very small beat also on sales. But then releasing the story here about, they have a concern that they're going to be able to continue to go on or operate as a business in the next 12 months. That is not a good sign. We've got the weekly chart pulled up here. And I was just kind of looking at this, kind of looking at some of the price action, and it did look like the buyer stepped in a little bit here on the weekly to kind of stop the bleeding. So this thing was just working its way down towards the tail end of this chart, lower lows, lower highs, just bleeding off. And then finally we got some buying to step in here around earnings. Let's head to the hourly time frame here, and you can see here a low of $1.65. That's where it kind of rallied, finally got above this 100-day EMA, which we had not really seen it above that in a little bit here. You saw a challenge of it here, got just above it, but then quickly sold below. So really for most of this chart, really unable to get above that 100-day EMA and stay above it. But it made a nice big move here to get above it. Rejected it pretty nicely on this crazy candle here, but yeah, definitely not good news here. I would definitely tread lightly with this stock. I know we've had other stocks lately where the companies have announced that they're going to delist, or we find out they're going to be delisted, and then we've got a lot of people piling in and driving them to the moon. Very dangerous, because they're going to be delisted soon, or they're going to be coming off of the market. So if you want to try to get some type of swing trade opportunity like that, or day trade opportunity, and just try to make some money and ride the wave, I guess you can, but just be careful. It's definitely not going to be any type of a long-term hold here with a company that is pretty much coming out and saying, we're not going to be able to go on as a business. So thought this was an important update here on ticker VLTA or Volta Inc. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.